Oh my god, dude. Oh, this thing is amazing. So this bike is a 2008 Honda CRF 450X. So from what I understand, that this is basically a motocross bike that they put on the from the factory, factory headlight, factory speedo, and then factory tail light on it, and it has longer gears. So like, which is fine. I don't think it necessarily makes it that much slower, but I could be wrong. But I don't, there might be a different cam in it too, but this is not the L, this is the X. And it's a 450. Fork seals are good. I probably look like a goon because I got a sport bike helmet on, but I don't have a camera set built on my other, I got a motocross helmet too, but it's not built with the camera setup, so whatever. Holy shit, it's windy. Kinda need some mirrors on this hog. Woo! This is why we work hard, you guys. So we can buy awesome things like this that make you smile the whole entire time. I am in an unknown world right now. This feels very weird to me. I'm almost like, not quite tiptoe gang. This thing is amazing. The shifter is definitely a little more, I don't know, stiffer or something, I'm not sure, than the Ducati. So I gotta get some different shoes, that's for sure, because I can feel it on my toe. You guys, this thing's like it's like a Baja 5000 tank. This thing's coming right off. Look at this thing. It holds like 80 gallons. You fill this thing up once a year. I told the guy I didn't want it, but he wouldn't come down on his price, so here we are. I got the factory one though, and the factory shrouds. That's going on it. Oh, green light, go. I'm still not used to the clutch on this, but she moves alright. I mean, it's no, anything I ride is like slow because I'm so used to the Ducati, and that thing just like is a rocket ship. Like you can beat a 60 miles an hour in like a second. Okay, actually technically on paper it's like 2 seconds, I think. I'm gonna order I think a easy pull. I mean it pulls just fine, but I like just using one finger. I don't know if that's from my like stunt riding days or what, but I don't like using my whole hand. It's weird not having a mirror on here. Gotta look back. Look at this thing. I'm gonna get a comfy seat. I got comfy suspension. Whoa, tires feel really weird when you go side to side. And then I checked them, they're aired up. This is for the nitrous oxide right here. It's got NOS. I'm just kidding. That's, I think, to turn on the tail light is what he said it was. So it's got 2 tail lights on it, which is kind of weird. I'm gonna get that taken care of. As far as I know, that's aftermarket. These are aftermarket. But like, there's the exhaust is factory. And I'm gonna do a walk around. We're gonna go wash it because it's like the guy didn't even clean it. So I appreciate him. So I met this guy. He's 6 hours away from me. So we met in between 3 hours. And he's like I don't even know. Like, he's like a rancher. So mad props to this dude for meeting me. He did full pop me on the bike. He would not go down at all on price. Which kind of sucks, you know, but it is what it is. I'm gonna Supermoto it, and it's getting the original tank on there, which I have, the shrouds, and then I want to do all white plastics, maybe a graphics kit, Supermoto wheels, Supermoto fender, but yeah, he didn't even clean this thing. So valves were gone through 8 hours ago, roughly 8 hours. So I think it'll be a good bike. Some old dude had it before him. Yeah, these are really, really hard to find. Dude, it feels like a zombie apocalypse just hit. I'm ready, dude. I just need like a rack on the back, you know, so like when I'm surviving and I'm hunting deer, I can just like get one and then put it on the back. That's what I need. And then it needs like a, I don't know, like spike strips off, or like off the spikes off the wheels, you know, so like when I'm like hitting other people, like bam, 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 you know, it's like poking their tires. That's what I feel like I need right now. I'm going to show you this baby from the side view. Ooh. Yeah. Ooh, this is going to sound good when I put exhaust on this baby. Oh, my taillights, see? There, both taillights. Which I don't like. I'll probably just run that one. Boop, boop. Taillight off.
No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. No one ever sees me, I'm losing every battle. Can somebody save me, I'm losing every battle.
Get behind those ears. Okay, there it is, somewhat cleaned up. Ain't perfect, but not shabby, huh? Ta-da! Wow, that's nice. Alright, I'm out of breath. Scrub a dubbin. Try and get the... I'm gonna get some protectors for the frame. But yeah. 08 CRF 450X. Ghetto tire on the front, new tire on the rear. It's got the Moose Racing guards on there in case I hit any trees, you know, which I don't know. My hands, my knuckles, I'm like the Hulk, so Really, I don't need these, but you know, I break tree trunks down with my hands. So it's got the little saddle thing on the back, which is going to come off. I think we're going to do all white plastics, black Supermoto wheels. What do you guys think? Stock exhaust, pretty clean. I might get a different clutch cover for it. I don't know, it's pretty wore out. Alright, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this, and I hope you guys are just as excited as I am for a little Supermoto build. Comment below what you guys think, what you guys want to see me do to the it's weird saying CRF, I'm so used to saying Ducati, to the CRF. Should I leave the dirt tire? Should I Supermoto wheel it? Should I do white plastics, black? You guys tell me in the comments below, and we'll see what we can come up with. All right, you guys. Until next time, you guys. Peace.
I could run through the fire, I could conquer the night. If I can make it, if I try to draw the red light.